Alright guys, I know, two videos in 2 days, it's crazy. But in this video, I'm going to be trying out every single unit in the new update. Going from Denji, Makima, Power, Euro, and Aki. Yeah, I don't have Heaven Demon yet, so I'm not gonna get them. Yeah, I don't even know if they're good. Anyways, I'm just gonna be testing out all these units. Remember, they're all level 1, so don't take them seriously. Yet, at least. Yeah, let's just do this. Actually, wait, no, where's Ryodu? Yeah, alright. Alright. Testing out all units. Why did I get so many freaking... Why did I get 3 avatars and 2 overlords this update? Guess I'll place Power first. So, bleed. Oh, blood weapons. Let's see. Every 60 seconds, cycle through volume. So basically every single unit in this update has this. Hammer, cripple, a lot of damage, and lower range and higher SPA. Mutilate and bleed, minus 50 damage, minus 20 SPA. Hemorrhage, 30 damage, minus 10 range. Dismantle, plus 5 damage, minus 10 SPA. Switching, yeah, okay. Twelve upgrades. Okay. Let's see. Bro, this person's level 1 is already better than the pre-evolution. With the exact same everything. So Scythe just looks like an all-around weapon. Heavy damage, quick damage, medium damage, and all around. Thousand Blood Rain. Ah, crap, I haven't been showing how the moves look. One sec. Just those stuff. Kinda wanna see if it changes with the... No, it doesn't. Okay. Piercing Rain. Okay, kinda basic. Thousand Blood Rain. Oh, so it's just a more explosive version. Oh, looks like she has an ability. Blood Explosion. So it seems she'll be doing like maybe 120 million damage, like normally without any weapons. Approximately. Okay, upon activation, deal 5 times current damage to enemies in range under bleed related DOTs. Each time an enemy has been under bleed DOT, increase the damage that enemy will take from this ability by 2 times. Okay. So I think this is meant to be a high damage kind of character. You'd use this while you have hammer out or something. So you're doing a lot more damage. Yeah, like that. No, I don't have abilities. Oh wait, really quick. Oh, so this basically allows for one blood explosion per weapon. Okay, that is power. Next, we'll do Makima. I believe she needs other people in her range to use her ability. So, bang. Oh wait, what was her first attack? Just like a dash, okay. Bang. Looks like that's the only one she gains. Yeah. Okay, new ability, Domination. Pick a unit in range. Oh wait, I didn't read her passives. Bang. Oh. Every 10 attacks, do 5 times damage to any in range, apply Bloodlust. 10 times damage. Okay. Domination. Pick a unit in range to control. Upon controlling unit, Domination Devil gains 5 damage and 5 range. Control unit 10% more damage, but also 5% HPA. Depending on the element of the control, gain new passive up to 5 units can be controlled. Fire, bleed status effect. When attacking somebody under bleed, deal 25% more damage. If enemy is not bleeding when she attacks, apply Bloodlust. Gain soaked effect. Water units gain 5% damage, more range. If the unit is a summon, gain 10% damage and 15 range instead. Nature. Oh gosh. Each time she attacks an enemy, perform the following. Nothing. Slow enemies by 20% for 5 seconds. 10%, 10-second cooldown. Apply Accelerate and Wind Shear. Stun enemy for 5 seconds. Cause enemies to walk back for 5 seconds. Once 5 is complete, reset to count 1. Gain Better Fear. And gain access to Steal 1,000 Years ability. Okay. Sacrifices. Okay. So this is the nuke. Must be controlling at least 3 units. The most expensive. Range, stunning them for 66 seconds. Okay, so 250k, 200 damage, 200 billion, 500 billion for 500k. We can instantly kill one boss and 550 billion. Instantly kill 2 bosses and deal 750 billion. And instantly kill 5 bosses and deal 1 trillion. If like it's extinguish. And instantly kill 10 bosses and deal 5 trillion damage. If like fear and extinguish for 450 seconds. Permanently lose 35 damage and 20. Oh, okay. So you can only use this one once. Okay. Pretty good damage. Okay. It's pretty good. Really expensive. Not really, but like more expensive. Alright. Euro. The new passive. Oh. Flesh. Oh, wait. But the first one is just like a throw in attack. Flesh bomb. Okay. So like a scatter bomb. Hyper slash. Okay. I was like, let's read your other. No passives. Great. Guilt. Every 2 attacks, create the guilt bar by 10. Switching weapons when the following thresholds are met. 25. Pencil. 50. Scalpel. 75. Ruler. Transform into Euro. Oh. Change effect to bleed. Set damage to 7 million. SPA to 10 and range to 35. Change effect to hemorrhage. Hemorrhage. Set damage to 7 million. SPA to 6 and range to 45. Ruler. Change base crit to 50. Set damage to 6 million. Set SPA to 5 and range to 41. Okay. And then 100 guilt and max upgrade transform into Euro. what was it, every 2 attacks? Okay. So it was a really good crit chance. It's probably do good with a crit skill tree. It's about to become Euro. Just slow down. What? Oh, she transformed into Euro. Okay. Arsenal. Oh god. Also train from Euro. Reach 0 every attack. Okay, once it goes, swap back into also. Every fight, switch ammo. Okay. Just weapons. Hemorrhage, 100% crit damage. Instead of set damage to 5 point. Spade to 5. Soaked in Rapture. Okay, so big damage, small SPA. Big damage, small SPA. You can change it back to detonate. Soaked. Big damage, bleed and cripple. And spine sword, mutilate and weakened. Okay, I had to read that quick because the gut bar is running out. Okay. Euro's pretty good. Not the best, but you know, pretty good. Not bad. Okay. Next is Aki. First attack is another dash. Dashing barrage. Ooh, cool. New Fox Demon. Oh, Future Demon. Aka attacks an enemy for the first time. Deals 100% more damage and 50% crit. Every 3 attacks gain 5% damage and 5% range. You'll do that 5 times. Okay, new ability. Fox Demon. And new attack Trifold Pierce. Okay, so just like the boom boom boom. Oh god, it's not. Okay, lose 40% damage after 50 instantly kill the strongest enemy. Deal 300% damage. Okay, I think we're gonna need this one, right? Curse one. Why is it not a frickin' what? Gain curse demon. Oh, I think that one of those curse mode. Let's see. Future demon. I know, curse demon. Each attack gains 1 stack. Oh, health. Oh. Okay. Drain. And I like transform into gun demon form. Oh gosh. When minus 30% damage, fast attack, more range becomes hybrid. Okay, one second. Let me just. Okay. So I gotta wait for gun demon form, I guess. You can use this 5 times. Okay. When does it lose HP? When does he lose HP? Okay. Each time the 0 effect is triggered, drain 10% of life bar. Okay, yeah. And he's about to become gun demon. Oh yep, he has a gun on his arm. Demon's Arsenal. Hammer Shell, Mutilation, Bloody Bullet, rotate randomly. Okay. Cool. Okay, that's Aki. He just had a bunch of, like, the same ones as, like, these two. Or this one. Okay. And finally is Denji. Oh, God. Wait, what happened when I placed him down? He went, like... Oh, okay. Yeah, applies fear upon placement. I have another video on this, guys, so I won't go as far into the passives. you know, the saws with all the different bleed attacks. He eats allies, becomes stronger every 10 attacks. Every time he attacks, he's a 10% chance to consume the enemy, dealing 1%. Gains 1% fear. And he does more damage to that element that he consumes. And then demonic fear. These are the different things you get. Okay, so this is just like the rush attack. The train Joe slam. Just comes from the air. Yeah, alright. Then finally a race. Full AoE. And he does like a slash right here. And then dashes forward. Okay. And at max. Let's wait one sec. Eat idle. Eat idle. Why is he not? Is he not just gonna? Is he just gonna? Okay, that's really confusing. Maybe he'll eat somebody else. But not that one, because they have a. What if I place down a few people? Will you eat them now? No. No, you don't wanna. Oh wait, there we go. Now he does 746 million damage every 4 seconds. Rupture, 5.4 times damage, which is 3.5 billion, plus another 228%, which is, you know, more, another like a billion, 1.5 billion, which is like 5 billion. Yeah, and if you get a, like, someone like, to devour someone like True Blood Demon, then you can also get bleed. You get bleed, hemorrhage, rupture, all of them. Oh, well, now he has bleed, but he's supposed to have bleed because he's on his bleed saw. Anyways, can you get off your bleed saw? There we go. Now he's on mutilate. Oh, why does it have crippled? What? Well, I must be missing something. What? Was it here saying anything about crippled? Oh, I'm slow. Anyways, yeah, that's it. That's all the units in this update. This video is longer than expected. Bye. It's like, let me just let me line them up. Get Denji. Get Maguma. Get this there. Okay. 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 See you guys in the next one. Bye bye.